Bonjour, mes amis. Today we are going to look at the platform called Padlet and how to use it. So you might be wondering, what is Padlet? Padlet is a platform that we can use to collaborate as a class in real time. So you can type your ideas, your comments, and it'll stick right to the screen automatically. Now, writing our comments or ideas are actually not the only thing that we can use Padlet for. There are a lot of really cool other features that I can't wait to show you when we look at it step by step in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so our first step is getting onto Padlet. Now, you will see on the screen that I have our Gmail open. And we know exactly what that looks like because we've watched our first video with me on how to send an email and to get onto Gmail. So how I will invite you to share in our Padlet is by sending you an invitation link in an email. So you will see it come up from me at the top with a little link that we will simply click on, and then it will bring us here. This is what Padlet looks like on a discussion board. So what we are going to do here, and one of our next steps, is looking at all the cool different features that I am going to show you by using Padlet. Okay, so our second step is how you post a comment or an idea to Padlet. Now, I went ahead as the teacher and changed what our Padlet asks or says today. So I did a very simple prompt and I asked, how are you feeling today? And then what we get to do is we get to answer in real time. So when we go down here to the bottom right corner, we're going to see a big circle with a plus sign in it. This is where we write our answer or our comment. So I'm going to click here and it gives us a prompt here. It says, write your response here. So if I were a student, this is how my view would be. I might say, okay, Madam Potter, I am feeling happy today. So I will write it, I am happy today. Okay, now there are some other features up here that I will show us for our next step, okay? Okay, step 3 is looking at the different features we can add to our post to really give it a next level. So we've added our writing, our comment, I am happy today. Now, some other additions that we can put into this post are changing the color of the sticky note. So maybe your favorite color is blue. So maybe you might want to change it to blue. All right. Now, I am happy today. It would be maybe a little fun to add maybe a GIF that shows something that's happy to really put that extra step into it. So if we want to add something like a GIF, we will go over here to image search, okay? So when we click on that, we can add images, we can add GIFs, we can add YouTube videos, Spotify for a song, or even something from the internet. So since I know my students have really previously loved using GIFs, I'm going to click on GIFs. Now, I said I am happy today, so let's look up happy and see what happens. Aha! So some really good ones that already show happy. Maybe we'll go with a SpongeBob one. I know we have some big fans of that, so I'm going to click that. And look at that, it pops right up into our post. So when you post that, everyone will be able to see it. Okay, we are at our fourth and final step, publishing our post. So now we have a post that has writing, it has a GIF, we've changed its color, and now if we feel that we like it, we are ready to publish. But you can always go back and edit, so don't worry too much about this being your final edition. So now that we're ready to publish, we look at this big pink button up here that says publish. We can click that, and then it automatically shows up into our screen. This is what it will look like for everybody who's posting. You'll see it right away. And that's a wrap, my friends. That is how we use Padlet and looking at a few of the various features that we can use to really make our posts pop. So be sure to check out my next video where we look at one of the features, the Draw It feature, where we can really get creative and have some fun with sharing our ideas. Au revoir.